Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best hydrating lip oils of 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 7. NYX Cosmetics #This is Everything Lip Oil. Get the benefits of lip oil on a budget with this pick from NYX. A blend of oils, including almond, avocado, rosehip, and jojoba, nourishes your pout without any stickiness. Plus, it comes in 5 different shades to match your outfit of the day, so you'll definitely have options to mix and match with. Wear it on its own or as a prep before using a drying matte lipstick. 6. Ulta Juice Infused Lip Oil. Ulta's lip oil is one of the biggest trending products in beauty, thanks to TikTok's obsession with this particular lip oil. The antioxidant-packed formula mends dryness, improves skin elasticity, and fights wrinkles. Although there are 4 color options, each appears clear once applied to your lips. 5. Clarins Instant Light Lip Comfort Oil. New to lip oils? We suggest this one by Clarins that pretty much put them on the map. Plus, this e.l.f. editor can't live without it. The plant-based formula is packed with benefits. It nourishes, smooths, plumps, and gives lips a shiny finish with a sheer touch of color. Choose from 7 different shades, including gold and mint green. 4. e.l.f. Cosmetics Tinted Lip Oil. When lips start feeling dry, just swipe on a coat or 2 of this bargain-friendly lip oil. It comes in 3 natural-looking shades with a sheer finish and replenishes moisture with ingredients like jojoba, apricot, and vitamin E. 3. Dior Lip Glow Oil. When it comes to luxurious lip oils, this fan favorite from Dior just can't be beaten. Its silky smooth formula glides effortlessly on lips and it keeps your pout smooth and moisturized with its star ingredient, cherry oil. This lip oil is my personal favorite for its high-quality feel that feels like a tall drink of water on parched lips. Plus, it leaves a subtle sheen that really makes my pout pop, and it comes in 8 delectable colors that I genuinely adore and hoard. 2. Hourglass No. 28 Lip Treatment Oil. Just like every other part of your body, as you age, the area around your lips may start to develop some fine lines, as Mother Nature intended, of course. But if you'd rather smooth those lines out, we get it. However, that doesn't mean you have to get fillers or Botox just yet. This luxe lip oil from Hourglass features a 24-karat gold-plated tip, plus it's formulated with 14 essential oils and vitamins that reduce wrinkles and improve volume. It comes in 7 different shades, including a clear option if you want a totally natural look. 1. Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss. A hybrid lip oil in gloss is the perfect match when you want a hydrating formula with richer color. You'll love the smooth, creamy consistency of this one from Too Faced, and it has 5 different shade options, so everyone can find the right tone of peach. Plus, its delectably creamy formula is packed with lip-nurturing ingredients like coconut extract, safflower seed oil, and, of course, peach extract.